Have you ever dreamed of owning a piece of the future where the lines between reality and the virtual blur? Well, today I want to tell you about the electrifying world of NFTs in virtual real estate and the Metaverse. Imagine holding the keys to digital lands in worlds only limited by imagination. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about a universe where you can buy, sell, and trade virtual properties as easily as playing your favorite video game. Back in 2017, a little thing called CryptoPunks hit the scene. And together with CryptoKitties, they caught dog the Ethereum network, but also opened our eyes to a whole new digital asset class, NFTs. Fast forward, and here we are, stepping into the Metaverse, a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical and digital reality. But what's the big deal about virtual real estate? Picture this. Owning a digital plot next to Snoop Dogg's virtual mansion in the Sandbox, or creating a buzzing virtual storefront in the Decentraland. The opportunities are endless, from hosting epic concerts to running your digital business empire. The beauty of virtual real estate lies in its flexibility and scalability. You can forge vast digital empires, host immersive events, or simply express your creativity in ways that physical real estate could never allow. And the best part? It's accessible from anywhere in the world, breaking down all geographical barriers. Yet, of course, there are challenges and risks. Market unpredictability, technical barriers, and security risks are just a few hurdles on the path to digital land ownership. But for those willing to navigate these waters, the potential rewards are huge. The Metaverse is booming, with real estate hitting the billion-dollar mark, proving that the appetite for virtual spaces is growing at a bizarre pace. From gaming to entertainment and even digital storefronts, the applications are as limitless as your imagination. So, are you ready to become a digital real estate magnate? The future is here, and it's waiting for you to leave your mark. Explore the ins and outs of buying, selling, and thriving in the Metaverse virtual real estate market. Unlock the doors to the digital universe and discover what it means to truly own a piece of the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all the latest in the world of NFTs. Stay tuned for more.